कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अदृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् गोष्पतीकृतवाराशिम् अशकीकृतराक्षसम् रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारम् वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारी परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी वेदविद्ये परे पुंसी जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः मङ्गलं कौसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणार्थये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मङ्गलम् सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। The battalion of the monkeys, Vanaraha, they came in from various places in large quantities, large numbers. Just like when you have a marriage, there are so many people coming from so many different places. And in the Tamil Nadu region, they say everyone who is relative should bring what is known as Sidanam. Their contribution to the congregation for the marrying couple. In the same way, here the Vanaras are brought from various places by the chiefs. The number they have brought is what is enumerated here in this section. How many of them have come to help Rama? In fact, the entire creation is ready to help Rama, because the entire creation is at his disposal. Here, the numbers may be exaggerated apparently. It looks like humongous. But it is only to say If the Vanaras are ready to help him so much, what about Naras? What about human? As I said, the entire creation is indebted to the Lord. Ishvaraha Sarva Bhutanam. Hida is she. So one who is always interested in doing something which is most beneficial to the entire living kingdom, and he needs, don't we, each one of them, don't they have to be ready for that? So here, they are not hundreds and thousands, we saw trillions, uncountable numbers. Starting from 14 here, Koti Sahasrair Dashabihi.
Koti Sahasrair Dashabihi.
Shriman Parivrutastada.
Shriman Parivrutastada.
Virashatabalir Nama.
Virashatabalir Nama.
Vanara Pratyadrishyata.
Vanara Pratyadrishyata.
Tatakanchana Shailabha.
Tatakkanchana Shailabha.
Taraya Viryavan Pita.
Taraya Viryavan Pita.
Aneke Dasasahasraihi.
Anairkair Bahutahasraihi.
Kotibhi Pratyadrishyata.
Kotibhi Pratyadrishyata.
Tadaparena Kotinam.
तथा परेण कोटीनां
Sahasrena Samanvitaha.
सहस्रेण समन्वितः
Itarumayaha Sampraptaha.
पितारुमाया सम्प्राप्तः
Sugrivasvashuro Vibhuhu.
सुग्रीवश्वशुरो विभुः
Atmakesara Sankashaha.
पद्मकेसरसङ्काशः
Tarunarkanibananaha.
तरुणार्कनिभाननः
Buddhiman Vanarashreshtaha.
बुद्धिमान् वानरश्रेष्ठः
Sarvavanarasattamaha.
सर्ववानरसत्तमः
Anekir Bahusahasraihi.
अनेकैर्बहुसाहस्रैः
Vanaranam Samanvitaha.
वानराणां समन्वितः
Ita Hanumata Sriman.
पिता हनुमतः श्रीमान्
Kesari Pratyadrishyata.
केसरी प्रत्यदृश्यत
Olangula Maharajo.
गोलाङ्गुलमहाराजो
Gavaksho Bhima Vikramaha.
गवाक्षो भीमविक्रमः
Vitakodi Sahasrena.
मृतकोटिसहस्रेण
Vanaranam Adrishyata.
वानराणामदृश्यत
Vrikshanam Bhima Veganam.
वृक्षाणां भीमवेगानां
Dhuma Shatrunibarhanaha.
धूम्रशत्रुनिबर्हणः
Vritakodi Sahasrabhyam.
वृतकोटिसहस्राभ्यां
Vabhyam Samabivartata.
द्वाभ्यां समभिवर्तत
Mahachalani Goraihi.
महाचलनिभैर्घोरैः
Anaso Nama Bhuyutapaha.
पनसो नाम यूथपः
Ajagama Mahaviryaha.
आजगाम महावीर्यः
Srubihi Koti Birvrutaha.
तिस्रुभिः कोटिभिर्वृतः
Nilanjana Chayakasho. Jilanjana Chayakaro.
नीलाञ्जनचयाकारो
Nilo Namata Yutapaha.
नीलो नामैव यूथपः
Adrishyata Mahakayaha.
अदृश्यत महाकायः
Kotibirdashabirvrutaha.
कोटिभिर्दशभिर्वृतः
Tatakanchana Shailabho.
ततः काञ्चनशैलाभो
Navayo Nama Yutapaha.
गवयो नाम यूथपः
Ajagama Mahaviryaha.
आजगाम महावीर्यः
Kotibi Panchabirvrutaha.
कोटिभिर्पञ्चभिवृतः
Darimukascha Balavan.
दरीमुखश्च बलवान्
Yutapopyayayo Tada.
यूतपोऽभ्याययौ तदा
Vritakoti Sahasrena.
पृथक्कोटिसहस्रेण
Sugrivam Samupastitaha.
सुग्रीवं समवस्थितः
Indascha Maindastad Shobha.
मैन्दश्च द्विविधश्चोभा
Shobha, okay. Shobha,
Shobha.
Avast, Ashviputrau Mahabalau.
अश्विपुत्रौ महाबलौ
Koti Sahasrena.
कोटिकोटिसहस्रेण
Vanaranam Adrishyatam.
वानराणाम् अदृश्यताम्
Shatabalir Nama Vanaraha. One of the very important leader. Shatabali his name. And Vanaraha Pratyadrishyata, Prati Adrishyata is seen or appeared there. Pratyadarshanam is appearance. And how Sriman Parivrutahastada, he was being surrounded by that glorious one, Koti Sahasraihi Dashabihi. Koti Sahasrai means 10,000 crores of monkeys. 10,000 crores. We cannot imagine how many zeros have to be put there. Koti Sahasrai. Koti is a crore. 10,000. Sahasrai. Sahasrai Dashabihi. And also Tarayaha Pita. Tara's father is also Viryavan, a great strong personality there. Anegi Dashasahasrai. There it is Anegi. You cannot even understand how many of them. There he came Kotibihi, crores of them. Pratyadrishyata. And he is looking like a Kanchana Shailaba. Kanchana Shaila Abha. Abha means Sama. So equal to that of the golden mountain. That is the color of his physical body. Then came Rumayaha Pita. Tara was Valmiki's, Vali's wife, and Ruma is Sugriva's wife. Rumayaha Pita. Ruma's father, Sampraptaha, Sugriva Shvashuro Vibhu. He is none other than the father-in-law of Sugriva. Tata Aparena Kotinam Sahasrena. Again, 1,000 crores of them Samanvitaha. Then came Hanumanji's father. The name is Kesara. So he came there. Buddhiman Vanara Sreshtaha Hanumataha Sriman Kesari Pita. Kesari Pita. Hanumataha Pita Sriman Kesari. Pratyadrishyata. He appeared. Padma Kesara Sankashaha. His color is like that of the firmament of the lotus. Taruna Arka Nibhanana. And also the color of the young sun, morning sun. Aneka Bahu Shastrai, Bahu Sahasrai Vanarana. Again, Aneka uncountable crores and thousands of them. Samanvidaha. He came there. He is known as Vanara Sreshtaha. Best among the Vanaras. Sarva Vanara Sattamaha. And also the most valorous, most powerful. Then Kolangula, there is baboons. Gavakshaha, that is the name of the leader there. Bhima Vikramaha, of the nature of a extraordinary strength. Koti Sahasrena Vrutaha, 1 crore of the monkeys. Vanarana Madrishyada, he is covered or surrounded by. Then came Dhumraha. Shatru Nibarhanaha, he the one who destroys his enemies within no time. Bhima Veganam Vrikshanam, of the all the bears which are all of the extraordinary speed. Vritaha Koti Sahasrabhyam Dvabhyam, 2 crores of them. He also arrived there, Samabhi Vartada. Then Panasaha, another one which came there is Panas. So he had brought along with him. Panasaha nama Dyutapaha Mahachala Nibaihi Goraihi. Mahachala Nibaihi Goraihi Kotibihi Avrutaha Kotibir Vrutaha Ajagama. Mahabala, so extremely strong. Mahachala, it is like that of a huge mountain like. All his attendants or all his battalion are like that of the huge mountains. Ajagama Mahaviryaha Tisribihi Kotibihi, 3 crores of them. You know, when we used to have Gurudev's Jnana Yajnas in the city of Bangalore, I was the secretary for a short time, a few years. And we used to have sometimes the camps also, spiritual camps. So at that time, we start to work 1 year in advance. The fixing of the venue, of course, communicating with Gurudev about what topic he would take and what is the schedule, etc. That is my part of the job, is to make sure that communication with Gurudev is properly done. He's contacted, his details are taken, and all that. And I need to call for a meeting where people will start discussing about how to go about conducting the camp. I remember distinctly Swami Brahmananda, the one who was guiding me. He would sit and then I will sit next to him and he will instruct what the agenda is going to be and about what needs to be done. And then when the people assemble, the volunteers and the task leaders, and about various things need to be decided, especially when it comes to camp, hosting the people, especially the food. Food is the most important thing in any of such big camps, because if food is good, then camp is successful. So when they all assemble, and then Swami Brahmananda would say, okay, now there are 6 days of the camp. Each day will be sponsored by one of the members here. Most of these members who come there are those who have some businesses and some large corporations, and those are the people who are mainly the sponsors. Then he will say, rice and enormous quantity. There will be around 400, 500 people in the camp. So imagine the amount of rice that is needed per day to cook both lunch and dinner and sometime for breakfast. 300 sacks, you. Dal, 200 sacks, you. No question of asking them. You sugar, 200 sacks, you. Then vegetables. So every day you need that is you. So you will just allot. The number is humongous because you cannot think of it, but he's so good in that. You know exactly how much is necessary for each one of them to bring, and per day what is the required amount of consumption. Even when we had the 50th anniversary of Chinmaya Mission in Bombay, Swami Brahmananda was in charge of the entire food operations. All the things that are required for feeding the people, there were around close to around 5,000 to 6,000 people or more than that in Bombay. So he knows exactly how much to bring and how much is consumed every day for. So here like that, how many 5 crore monkeys yours, 10,000 crores there. They brought that much. Sugriva's order. So here, so many of them. Then Neela Namata Yutapaha, Neelanjana cha, Neela Anjana Chaya Akaraha. It's colorium, the color of the colorium, dark blue or dark black. Adrishyata Mahakaya, huge body, Kotibir Dashabirvrata, 10 crores. And also during these camps, there's a need for other things to be taken care. Therefore, a lot of cash or money is also involved. So it is in a large quantity. And Gavayo Nama Yutapaha again. Gavaya is Kanchana Shailabaha, like a golden mountain. Ajagama Mahavirya Kotibi Panchabirvruta, 5 crores of the battalion. He got that. Darimukha is another name of the chieftain. Balavan Yutapaha Abhyayo. He also brought Vrutaha Koti Sahasrena. It is again 1,000 crores. Sugrivam Samupastitaha. He arrived at the place of presence of Sugriva. Maindaha. He also brought Maindaha Dvivida. There are Mainda and Dvivida, these two of them, who are none other than the sons of Ashwini Kumaras. So they are the people who brought Ashwini, Ubau Ashwi Putro Mahabalo, Koti Sahasre, crores, thousands and crores of Vanaras are brought. Sahasrena Vanaranam Adrishyata, Adaranam Adrishyata. They are seen to be have brought both of them together. So this way, furthermore, it is said, Gajascha Balavan Viraha,
Gajascha Balavan Viraha,
Tisrubhi Koti Birvrutaha,
Tisrubhi Koti Birvrutaha,
Ajagama Mahatejaha,
Ajagama Mahatejaha,
Sugrivasya Samipataha,
Sugrivasya Samipataha,
Vriksharajo Mahateja,
Riksharajo Mahateja,
Jambavan Nama Namataha,
Jambavan Nama Namataha,
Kotibir Dashabir Vyaptaha,
Kotibhir Dashabhir Vyaptaha,
Sugrivasya Vashe Stitaha,
Sugrivasya Vashe Stitaha,
Rumano Nama Tejasvi,
Rumano Nama Tejasvi,
Vikranter Vanareir Vrutaha,
Vikrantairvanarairvrataha,
Agato Balavan Surya, Balavan Turnam. Okay. Agato Balavan Sturnam,
Agato Balavan Sturnam,
Kotishadas Samavrataha,
Koti Shatasamavೃತಃ,
Tadakoti Sahasranam,
Tatakoti Sahasranam,
Sahasrena Shatena Cha,
Sahasrena Shatena Cha,
Prishtato Nukata Prapto,
Prushtato Nugatah Prapto,
Aribir Gandhamadanaha,
Haribhirgandhamadanaha,
Tata Padma Sahasrena,
Tatah Padma Sahasrena,
Pradashankushatena Cha,
Vritashankushatena Cha,
Yuvarajongada Praptaha,
Yuvarajongada Praptaha,
Vidustulya Parakramaha,
Pitustulya Parakramaha,
Tadastara
Tatastara Jyutistaro,
Aribhima Parakramaihi,
Harivir Bhima Vikramaihi,
Harir Bhima Parakramaihi. That's written there. Okay. Padmabir Harikotibihi,
Panchavir Harikotibihi,
Dhuratak Paryadrishyata,
Durata Paryadrishyata,
Indrajanu Kavirviro,
Indrajanukavirviro,
Yutapa Pratyadrishyata,
Yutapa Pratyadrishyata,
Ekadashanam Kotinam,
Ekadashanam Kotinam,
Ishwarastasya Samvrataha.
Ishwarastaischa Samvrataha.
There is another one called Gajaha. And Balavan Viraha, strong, Tisribihi Kotibihi Vrutaha, surrounded by 3 crores of the Vanaras, Ajakama Mahateja, of great brilliance, Sugrivasya Samipataha, at the presence of Sugriva. Riksharajaha, the leader of the all the bears, Mahateja, Jambavan. These are all the important people here. Jambavan has been there with Hanuman for many things to accomplish. Dayaman Namanavada, Koti Bihir Dashabir Vyaptaha, 10 crores of them. Sugrivasya Vashestitaha, he is under the command of Sugriva. Tejasvi Rumano Nama, another brilliant one named Rumana, Vikrantair Vanarai Vritaha, surrounded by most powerful and strong of the Vanaras. Agato Balavan Turnam, quickly he came there. Koti Sahasra Samav, 100 crores of them. Tatat Koti Sahasranam, again 1000 crores of them. Sahasrena Shadena Cha, again hundreds and thousands and crores of them. Prishtataha Anugataha, keeping him in his mind and following them. Praptaha Haribir Gandamadanaha, that is the name of this the monkey chieftain there. Gandamadan Madanaha. Tadaha Padma Sahasrena. Remember Padma is the Mahapadma, we saw that. And here that is around 10 Nikarva, 10, one Nikarva is 10 Karva, etc. So many crores of them there. Again, Padma Sahasrena Prutaha Shanku Shatena Cha. And again, Shanku we saw. Shanku is one Shanku is 10 Mahapadmas. That many of them, again, in billions maybe. He brought so many of them. Shanku Shatena Cha Yuvaraju Angadaha. Angada, the son of Vali. Pituhu Tulya Parakrama is equal to the power of his own father. Tadastara Dyuti, shining like the star. His name is Tara. Remember, Tara is the wife of Vali. Tara is one of the chieftains of the army of Sugriva. Tara Hari Bhima Parakramahi of the valorous battalion of enormous strength. 5 crores of them. Panjabir Harikoti Bihi. Durada has Parashadashi is seen very far away, but he arrived there also. Indrajanuhu, he is also another chieftain. Kaviviraha Yutabaha Pratyadrishyata. Ekadashanam, 11 crores of them. Kotinam. Ishwaras Tadaischa Sambrata. He is the leader of 11 crores of them. Tadorambastanu
Tatorambastvanupraptaha
Tarunaditya Sannibha
Tarunaditya-sannibah
Ayutena Vrutaschaiva
Ayutena Vrutaschaiva
Sahasrena Shatena Cha
Sahasrena Shatena Cha
Tato Yotapadirviro
Tato Yutapatirviro
Durmukho Nama Vanaraha
Durmukho Nama Vanaraha
Pratyadrishyata Kotibhyam
Pratyadrishyata Kotibhyam
Dvabhyam Parivruto Bali
Dvabhyam Parivruto Bali
Kailasa Shikarakaraihi
Kailasa Shikarakaraihi
Vanarer Bhima Vikramaihi
Vanarair Bhima Vikramaihi
Vritakoti Sahasrena
Vritakoti Sahasrena
Hanuman Pratyadrishyata
Hanuman Pratyadrishyata
Alaschabi Mahavirya
Nalaschapi Mahaviryah
Samrudo Drumavasibihi
Samruto Drumavasibihi
Kotishatena Sampraptaha
Kotishatena Sampraptaha
Sahasrena Shatena Cha
Sahasrena Shatena Cha
Tato Baddhadimukha Sriman
Tato Dadimuka Shriman
Kotibir Dashabir Vritaha
Kotibhirdashabhirvritaha
Samprapto Abhinandastasya Samprapto Abhinandastasya
Samprapto Abhinandastasya
Sugrivasya Mahatmanaha.
Sugrivasya Mahatmanaha.
Here again, Indrajanu is another name. chieftain Kavivirah Yutapah Pratyadrishada Ekadashanam 11 crores Kotinam. So again Tataha Rambaha, another one 11,100 Sahasrena Shatena Cha Ayutena. Ayuta is again the counting of Ayuta is, we saw that yesterday. Ayuta, Adbhuta, and so many of them there. Laksham, Bhutam, Kotihi, Adbhuta, and the Sarva. So again, so many of them, Ayutena Svarvatascheva, Sahasrena Shatena Cha, 11,100 of the, so those of them have become their crores of them. Durmuko Nama, Vanaraha, again, Yutapatihi, Viraha, is also the best of the chieftains there. Kotibhyam Dvabhyam, 2 crores of them he brought. Then finally came, and also came Hanuman. And he is looking like that of the Kailasa Shikara Akarai, Vanarai. He obviously, being the best among the leaders, being brought around, so many of them, around 1,000 crores of those monkeys which are all looking like that of the Kailasa mountain. Kailasa Shikara Akarai Vanari Bhima Vikramehi Vrita Koti Sahasrena Hanuman Pratyadrishata. One of the most important person in the whole, war area, war situation. And not only he brought so many people, but he could revive most of them by his real power of Sankalpa. That is Hanuman. Nalaha, again Mahaviryaha, Nala and Neela are the architects of the bridge that is across the ocean. So they, Nalascha, Mahavirya, Samvrto, Drumavasibihi, brought all those people who are all Vrikshavasibihi, those who are dwelling on the trees, Koti Shatena, 100 crores plus Sahasrena Shatena Cha, Sampraptaha. Tato Datimukha, another important chief there, Shriman Kotibir, 1 crore of them. Dashabir had 10 crores of them. Sampraptaha Abhinandaha Tasya Sugrivasya Mahatmanaha, bringing delight to the heart of the most delightful Sugriva. This way, so many of them brought their own battalions all over from the world, not only from Bharata, but also the entire globe, all the monkeys available there. Sharavak Kumudo Bakhnihi,
Sharavak Kumudo Vahnihi,
Vanaro Ramha Yevacha,
Vanaro Ramha Evacha,
Ete Chanye Cha Bahavo,
Ete Chanye Cha Bahavo,
Vanara Kamarupinaha,
Vanara Kamarupinaha,
Avritya Prithivim Sarvam,
Avritya Prithivim Sarvam,
Parvadam Chavanani Cha,
Parvatam Cha Vanani Cha,
Yutapa Samanupraptaha,
Yutapa Samanupraptaha,
Yesham Sankyana Vidyate,
Yesham Sankhyan Vidyate,
Agadascha Vinishtascha,
Agatascha Vinishtascha,
Divyam Sarvavanaraha,
Prithivyam Sarvavanaraha,
Aplavanta Plavantascha,
Aplavanta Plavantascha,
Garjantascha Plavangamaha,
Garjantascha Plavangamaha,
Abhyavartanta Sugrivam,
Abhyavartanta Sugrivam,
Muryam Abragana Iva,
Suryam Abragana Iva,
Purvana Bahushabdhamscha,
Purvana Bahushabdamscha,
Prakrishta Bahushalinaha,
प्रकृष्टा बाहुशालिनः
शिरोभिर्वानरेन्द्राय
शिरोभिर्वानरेन्द्राय
सुग्रीवाय न्यवेदयन्
सुग्रीवाय न्यवेदयन्
अपरे वानरश्रेष्ठाः
अपरे वानरश्रेष्ठाः
संगम्य च यथोचितम्
सङ्गम्य च यथोचितम्
सुग्रीवेण समागम्य
सुग्रीवेण समागम्य
पिता प्राञ्जलयस्तथा
स्थिता प्राञ्जलयस्तदा
सुग्रीवस्त्वरितो रामे
सुग्रीवस्त्वरितो रामे
सर्वांस्तान् वानरर्षभान्
सर्वांस्तान् वानरर्षभान्
निवेदयित्वा धर्मज्ञः
निवेदयित्वा धर्मज्ञः
पितः प्राञ्जलिरब्रवीत्
स्थितप्राञ्जलिरब्रवीत्
यथा सुखं पर्वतनिर्झरेषु
यथा सुखं पर्वतनिर्झरेषु
वनेषु सर्वेषु च वानरेन्द्राः
वनेषु सर्वेषु च वानरेन्द्राः
निवेशयित्वा विधिवद्बलानि
निवेशयित्वा विधिवद्बलानि
बलं बलज्ञप्रतिपत्तुमीष्टे
बलं बलज्ञप्रतिपत्तुमीष्टे
There are others who are also equally powerful ones. Their names are Sharaba, Kumuda, Vahni, and Ramha. These are all the Vanaras. Ete cha Anye cha Bahavaha. Many other Vanaraha also Kamarupinaha. They can take the form according to their wish. Meaning they are not necessarily will look like only the monkeys, but they may take other forms also, because this is necessary, because the Rakshasas of Ravana's battalion also are capable of taking different forms and attacking. So they are also equally powerful. Prithivim Sarvam Avritya, completely covering entire earth. Parvadamscha, Vananicha, all the mountains and the forests. Yutapaha, the best of the monkeys. Yutanam Palayanti, Yutanam Pa means to protect. So Pati. So Yutapaha, best of the chieftains of the battalion of the monkeys. Samanupraptaha. So those who have arrived there, Yesham Sankyana Vidyate. Those whose counts are not even known, how many of them are there. Agadascha, Nivishtascha, they came and they sat down. Prithivyam Sarvavanaraha. So all they assembled and then they have arrived and then stayed there. Now the thing is, they asked, some of them sat down, some of them are jumping. Aplavantaha, plavantascha. They are jumping, they are climbing. Garjantascha, they are also roaring there. Plavangamaha, Abhyavartanta Sugrivam, they are following Sugriva. Suryam Abraganaiva. Interesting that he says that all of them were following Sugriva, and they are also, as Sugriva sat down, they also sat down. Or they were around him. And like what? Just like the clouds are trying to cover the sun. Interesting. The clouds are trying to, even though clouds can never go near the sun, they will get burned. But they are, at a distance, they are covering, the clouds can cover the sun from our eyesight. In the same way, all the monkeys, even though they don't go close to Sugriva being the chief, but they were all covering him up as though. Suryam Abragana Iva Abhyavartanta, surrounded. Kurvana Bahushabdanscha, making lot of sound. Prakushta Bahushabdan, extremely excited they are, because they are now given a chance to serve the Bhagavan. Not only that, they are chance to show their strength and power to their own leaders. Bahushalinaha. Shirobir Vanarendraya Sugrivaya Navyedayan. bowing down unto Sugriva, and they were all with their head bent down completely. Nivediyan, Shirobihi Nivediyan. So then, so Kurvana apare vanarashreshtaha sangamya cha yadochitam. As it is required, they came closer to Sugriva and submitted themselves. Sugrivena samagamya sthidaha pranchalayastata. Folded in their hand, they stood next to Sugriva, waiting for his command. At once, Tvaritaha, quickly, Rame Sugrivaha Sarvanstan Vanarashava Nivedayitva. Obviously, Sugriva had brought all of them for the purpose of helping Rama. So he brought all of them to Sri Rama's presence. Nivedayitva Dharmajnaha Stitaha Pranchale Rabravit. Standing there, having surrendered or submitted all the monkeys at the feet of the Lord, then he spoke following. All of them are going to be placed Yatasukam Parvada Nirjareshu, at the very beautiful streams next to the mountains, Paneshu Sarveshu cha, of all the forests that are there, Vanarendraha Niveshayitva, giving them proper abode and to settle down. Vidivat Balani Balam Balajnaha Pradibattumishte. It is necessary now to understand how the strength of, we have to gauge the strength of the total number of them available to us. Vidivat, accordingly. Vidivat, Balam Vidivat Pradibattum Ishte. Balajnaha, one who knows the strength, who knows who can estimate the strength of the battalion. Evenly, all the various chieftains only they know exactly. So then they can only be able to understand the strength of each one of them. So Balajnaha Pradipattum, to understand each day, to the Ishta here means is to determine, convince, to ascertain. So they will be able to know and ascertain the Balam, Balani of the armies, Balam, strength. So that's what they are going to do. In this way, Sri Rama was told by Sugriva. So it is necessary for us to take count of our strength before we proceed on, because now the Sugriva's job is to decide about how many of them should go to the different directions of the country. Some has to go north, then northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, northwest. 8 directions they have to be sent to find out exactly where the Sita is lodged. Now the thing is, he knows that the Ravana had taken her in the southern direction. But it is not necessary that Ravana should keep it only in the south. This is to be understood. Now they know that he has gone towards Lanka only. Where else there? Why should they go anywhere else? No. Ravana is capable of taking her towards the south, but from there she might have taken somewhere else. It can be anywhere in any part of the world he might have taken. So it is not to be misunderstood that he would have lodged her only in Lanka. There is no proof for that. So therefore, he had to send all of them in different directions. Go and find out. So for that, we need to know how many should go in which direction, all that. So in the next section is about that. Ataraja, so Ityarse Srimad Ramayane Valmiki Adikavye Kishkinda Kande Ekona Chatvari Yaha Sutvarisha Sargaha. So for 39, Eka Chatvari. Ataraja Samudhartaha.
Atharaja Samruddhartaha.
Sugriva Plavageshwaraha.
Sugriva Plavageshwaraha.
Uvacha Narasardulam.
उवाच नरशार्दूलम्
रामं परबलार्दनम्
रामं परबलार्दनम्
आगता विनिविष्टाश्च
आगता विनिविष्टाश्च
बलिनः कामरूपिणः
बलिनः कामरूपिणः
वानरेन्द्रा महेन्द्राभाः
वानरेन्द्रा महेन्द्राभाः
ये विषयवासिनः
ये मद्विषयवासिनः
इमे बहुविक्रान्तैः
तैमे बहुविक्रान्तैः
बलिभिर्भीमविक्रमैः
बलिभिर्भीमविक्रमैः
आगता वानरा घोराः
आगता वानरा घोराः
दैत्यदानवसन्निभाः
दैत्यदानवसन्निभाः
ख्यातकर्मापदानश्च
ख्यातकर्मापदानाश्च
बलवन्तो जितक्लमाः
बलवन्तो जितक्लमाः
पराक्रमेषु विख्याताः
पराक्रमेषु विख्याताः
व्यवसायेषु चोत्तमाः
व्यवसायेषु चोत्तमाः
पृथिव्यम्बुचराराम
हृदिव्यम्बुचराराम
नाना नानानगनिवासिनः
नानानगनिवासिनः
कोटयोदाश्च इमे प्राप्ताः
कोट्योगाश्च इमे प्राप्ताः
कोट्योदाश्च okay. वानरास्तव किङ्कराः
वानरास्तव किङ्कराः
सुग्रीवः राजा समृद्ध अर्थः समृद्ध well developed samruddha artha means one who has great prosperity that has come to him because of the blessings of Sri Rama. Plavageshwaraha, chief of the monkeys, Narashardulam Ramam Parabalardhanam Uvacha. Parabalardhanam, Parabala Ardhanam, Ardhanam to destroy, Ardha, not Ardha. Ardha is to destroy, to kill. Ardha is half. Artha is wealth. Artha. So there's a, Artha, the word is to be very nature. I mean, the pronunciation is to be Artha, Ardha, Ardha. So Ardhana, one who has destroyed what? Parabala Ardhanam. One who is a destroyer of the strength of the enemy. Narashardulam, best among the men, to that Rama, he said, Balinaha, Kamarupinaha, Vanarendraha, Mahendrabaha, ye, Madvishayavasinaha, Agataha, Vinishvishtascha. The strong Balinaha, Kamarupinaha, those who can take any form they like. Vanarendraha, the best of the monkeys. Mahendrabaha, of the power of even like a Mahendra. Madvishayavasinaha. Madvishaya means Maddeshavasinaha. Those who are residents of my abode. Ye Agataha, they have come. Vinivishtacha, they are also settled down now. They are all under your command now. Te ime bahu vikrantaihi balibihi bhima vikramaihi agataha vanaraha goraha daityadana savasannibaha. They are not very ordinary monkeys here. They are equal to that of Daityas and Danavas. As you know, Diti and Aditi are Kashyapa's two of the wives. And out of Diti came all the Daityas, and out of Aditi came all the Adityas. So that's very well known in the Puranas. Daityas are also residents of up above their heavens, and Adityas also. Adityas are born during the day, Daityas are born in the night. Daityas are considered as the negative forces, Adityas are considered as the positive forces. Adityanam aham Vishnuhu, Bhagavan Krishna says Among the Aditya, I am the Vishnu. Meaning all those who are brilliant luminaries, they are called Adityas, otherwise known as Devatas. Then Daityas are known as Asuras, Sura and Asura. Somebody asked me, what is Asura? Asushu ramante idi Asuraha. Asushu ramante, they are intoxicated all the time. They are called Asuras. Suraha meaning those who are enjoyers of Surapana, which is born out of the homas and rituals that are performed by the human beings. So when we perform any ritual invoking the gods, the elixir that comes out of it is not Sura. And those who are drinkers of that nectar, they are called Suraha. On the other hand, the stale and petrified old drinks that are very kept for a long time and then added alcoholic content, they become so intoxicating. Those who are drinkers of that is called Asuraha. In other words, many Asuras are there in this country. New York के लिए Asuraha people. दिवाली के लिए असुर बन गए, बर्थडे के लिए असुर बन गए, मैरिज ऑल्सो. क्या बात है. Swami ji, please, you please bless from wherever you are, because when you come there are only asuras who be there. Because what cocktail party? Kya matlab? Two people are getting married and you are drinking. And they think that it is a joy of drinking. What is joy in the drinking? You're intoxicated, they become dull-witted. And that is what is called joy there. Instead of, blessing the couples with your brilliance and your wisdom and advice, you are intoxicated and lying down. That is not what is called blessing. Anyway, Asuraha. They are also known as Daityaha. And they are also strong, Daitya and Danava. So they are equal to the Daityas and Danavas, Sannivaha, Vanaraha, Goraha, terrible looking there, Agadaha, Kyada Karma Padanascha. They are also known for Kyata. Kyata means well known. Kyati is fame. Fame is known as Kyati. Not Kyadi. What did you give? No, Kyati. So, Kyata Karma Padanascha, Balavantaha, they are strong. Chitaklamaha, they have conquered Klama. Klama means fatigue, tiredness. Chitaklamaha, they have, even if they fight for a long time, they never get tired. So it is said one of the sign of health is not getting tired while working. Here what we see, many of the kids, they go to the school and I was so tired. What did you do? Just sat there in one place and then went on listening only. How can you be tired? The tiredness comes out of the psychological disinterest. If you are mentally disinterested, your mind is disinterested in something, you reluctantly do something, then your mind is getting tired. So I'm tired of Vedanta, Swami. That means you are disinterested in that. If you are interested, you'll be so curious. So you'll wanting to know more and more. Your mind is extremely alert. You cannot be tired. So Chitaklamaha means those who have conquered tiredness. Parakrameshu Vikyadaha, in their strength they are very well known. Vyavasayeshu cha uttamaha, in their enterprising nature is very well known. Enterprise means where a person takes up something with a great inspiration, perhaps not even done by him or her before, and taking it and not only doing it well, but also making people work for it. Now that's why we call it the enterprising person. So Vyavasayeshu cha uttamaha. Prithivi ambucharaha. they are not only those who are capable of living on the earth, they are also capable of living in the water. Prithivi ambucharaha, he Rama, nana anaga nivasinaha. Anaga is mountains. Nagachati is the anaga. So that which does not move. So they are the dwellers of various mountains there. Kotyodascha ime praptaha. And they are capable of fighting so well. So Kotyodaha. Kotyodaha. In thousands of crores they have come. And they are all here. Praptaha, ime praptaha, vanaraha, tavakinkaraha. They are attendants for you, O Rama. The very word kinkara is also to be understood. Kim karomi, kim karomi, kim karomi, iti puchadaha. Tishtanti. Puchantaha. So they are those who are asking, what do you need to do? What do you need to do? Kinkaras. See, when you have a large house to be taken care, there are a lot of servants also necessary. So gardening and cleaning, cooking, drivers, general cleaning and maintenance, electricians, this and so many of them are there in a establishment. And therefore, all of them will come to the leader or the boss. What do I need to do today? What do I need to do today? So those who are called kinkaras. So they are all have come here and they are in continuing. Almost time. Nideshavartina sarve.
Nideshan vartina sarve.
Sarve guruhute stitaha.
Sarve guruhite stitaha.
Abhipretam anushtatum.
Abhipretam anushtatum.
Tava shakyan jarindama.
Tava shakya antarindama.
Okay, just finish. Nidesha vartinaha. Vartin means engaging in. Nidesha vartinaha means those who are ready to engage into any command that is given. Nidesha means command. Nidesha vartinaha. Sarve guruhite sthidaha. Guruhite, here Guru should be understood as Rama. Guruhite sthidaha. Rama hite sthidaha. Those who are ready for doing anything that can be useful to Rama. Abhipredam anushtadum. Those who have abhipredam, according to your desire, anushtadum, to perform, tava shakyanti. Tava abhipredam anushtadum. According to your desire, ready to perform, hey Arindama, they are ready here and waiting for your beck and call. So this way, they are all submitted by Sugriva to Sri Rama. Aganita Guna Gana Bhushna. Who is going to chant that today? Yes.
Can I chant, Swamiji?
Over.
No, I can chant, Swamiji. Aganita guna gana bhushana Rama, Ashrita vatsala jaya jaya Rama, Ayodhya vasi Sita Rama, Abhat bandhava jaya jaya Rama, Dasharatha nandana Shri Rama, Dashamukha mardana jaya jaya Rama, Kausalya sukhavardhana Rama, Kamita palada jaya jaya Rama, Papa vimochana Shri Rama, Pattabhirama jaya jaya Rama, Janaki jivana Sita Rama, Jaya Raghurama jaya Siya Rama, वानर सेवित श्री राम वारिधि वंदन जय जय राम हनुमत पूजित सीता राम श्री राम जय जय राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीता राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय।